Palindromic anagram. Given a string S, determine whether any anagram of S is a palindrome. In the first example, we have the input is shown here. The output is true because that word can be rearranged to race car, which is a palindrome. The hint that it gives us is the property of a palindrome is that it can have at most one unique character that occurs odd number of times. So the thing that you notice here is that you don't really have to rearrange the letters. All you have to do is check if it could be rearranged into it. So the way we can start this off is by using a unique function in Python called set. Now what this does is it returns unique characters. You can see here that the unique characters are EACR. So that's going to be useful. We can loop through the unique characters and count them using a method called counter. Let's just print that out and see what it gives us. You can see here that A appears 2 times, C 2 times, R 2 times, and E 1 time. So we can check if everything happens at an even number of times. And since there can only be one odd, we're going to make a counter for the odds, just call it ones. And every time there's an odd number, we can add to the ones. If there's more than one unique variable, then it can't be formed into a palindrome, and especially if it's not, the length of the S is not odd. If either of those happens, we can return false, but if everything happens fine, we can return true. Let's test it. Oh, there seems to be a runtime error in line 8. Let's go fix that. Let's go test it out. Yep, it works. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and goodbye.